How to archive chats in Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your Instagram account. Now, to archive a chat, click on the chat icon at the bottom. After you're in the chat, simply click on the chat which you want to archive. After you've clicked on the chat that you want to archive, it will lead you to the chat. In here, simply click on the person's name at the top. Then click on Chat Controls. After you click on Chat Controls, click on Move to General. Press on Move. Now, after you do this, it will move the chat to other place, which is General, and it won't be seen in the primary section. What you can also do is go to the chat, click on the name, click on the options icon. After you click on the options icon, you can also click on restrict, press on restrict again, and after you restrict the person, the message will move to request. You can click on request and you will find the chat in here. Another thing what you can do is go to your profile, click on the three lines, and then scroll down in here. After you scroll down in settings and activity, you will find messages and story replies. After you click on messages and story replies, click on message request. After you click on message request, make sure who can send you message request is everyone and who can add you to group chat is everyone. Also make sure to move to general, you will need a professional account. And this is how to archive chats in Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.